The top of Jalan Monkey Forest and adjoining with the street of Jalan Raya Ubud. So busy. Zombie design. Fabulous shop here called Cafe Ubud. Wow, look at that. Your heart is here. Bits of Bali looking restaurant here. It's quite busy inside. Ladies, wow, that's nice. Coco Bistro, this, yeah? Same as Coco Bistro, yeah. Bistro. How are you, brother? Quite busy. Earrings, necklaces, bracelets. Lots of beautiful jewellery and skull ornaments as well. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 4:45 p.m. I'm here in the Ubud area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Monkey Forest. So currently taking place here in Ubud today, there's a huge Balinese ceremony which is occupying a section of the street of Jalan Monkey Forest and also a big section of the street of Jalan Raya Ubud, two major tourist streets here in the Ubud area of Bali, just basically outside the very popular Ubud art market area. So in today's video, that's going to be my starting point, where the street of Jalan Monkey Forest converges with Jalan Raya Ubud and where the Balinese ceremony is taking place, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the street of Jalan Dewisita. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in any hotel, homestay accommodation options, restaurants, shopping options, and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this section of Jalan Monkey Forest here in the Ubud area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll here in Ubud. Okay, so this is a start point for today's video. An absolutely huge ceremony going on here at the top of Jalan Monkey Forest and adjoining with the street of Jalan Raya Ubud in the distance there. All the Balinese here in a white dress. This is Ubud Art Market just to the right here. And then we're going to be heading in this direction now, heading down Jalan Monkey Forest. Ice cream shop here. Everyone's still along the side here as well. Have Ori Bali clothing shop there. Clothing, hats, tourist goods here. So shops along the side here. More Balinese on the street here, Jalan Monkey Forest. Have Krishna Mart across the street there, little convenience store. Have an accommodation here, Happy Inn, Nath Ubud restaurant, just in the back there. Just take you through the doors, so it's like in a garden type setting, very, very nice. Some seating up there also. So just from Nath Ubud, so the actual restaurant is here. We can get a better view from here. Doesn't look too busy. More tourist goods shops here. Some big bottle openers there. Magnets, bags, hats. Lots of things available in there. We just head back across the street. We have Secret Garden Beauty Gallery here. Weaving in and out of the bicycles. More cosmetic goods inside of there. Some bath bombs here, Secret Garden. I've used these myself, very good. Just next door to Secret Garden we have Black Eye Coffee and Roastery. The money exchange there. Very difficult to walk in and get on the street because there's so many people. Some kind of restaurant or coffee shop or something here. Actually have a collection of them along the side of the street there. I'll just cut in here. Hot cappuccino, croissant or cinnamon roll, 40k. Breakfast package, 60k. Toasties, sandwiches, burgers, all available there. Just take you to the window. There's the inside. So just from a coffee shop there, we have a Gelato Secrets ice cream place. Wow, that's busy. Full with tourists inside of there. Bollywood Indian cuisine just next door here. It's quite busy actually inside of there in Bollywood. A few customers. Some hello. Some waiting at the front here. Have Rumour Souvenir across the street here. Have tropical. This is tropical and international restaurant. It's the same as Coco Bistro, this, yeah? Same as Coco Bistro, yeah, I thought so. Sister. So this is a sister of Coco Bistro. How are you, brother? Quite busy inside there, very popular restaurant. If it serves good food like Coco Bistro, we just head across the street here. Dairy Spa. Through there. So many people on the street. Mini Mart convenience store. We have an art market here. Arjuna Ubud. I shall feature this in a video one day. It's just down the side there. It's very similar to the Ubud art market. Also have some accommodations and things available as well. Homestays, warungs, all on the board there. Some places. So busy that end of the street. It's good because we can walk through the road, so it's a good day to do this street. Normally it's very busy with traffic. Nice little shop here again, selling sunglasses, purses, handbags in there. So just from that one we have a clothing shop here across the street. Some very unique clothes here. Nice men and ladies combination there. Some handbags I see also. Some nice shirts here. All Balinese again on the pavement here. So busy. Sunby design. Please do take into account you wouldn't be able to walk down the street like this on a normal day. Blink by Kapil Awut. Sells some really nice jewellery inside of here. Earrings, necklaces, bracelets. Lots of beautiful jewellery inside of there. It has multiple branches throughout Bali. Kati House of Relaxation. It's like a tourist souvenir goods shop here again. It's got some teas and coffees and things in there. Wow. So nice being able to walk down the street like this. We have Grit, Never Let Go, Feel the Rubber. So that's a sandals shop, ex-Fipper, Feel the Rubber. A golden jewellery shop here. Very nice looking place this. Got a few customers inside there. Another jewellery shop next door here as well. Oh, Sacred Cacao chocolate shop, this one. Raw barley chocolate. Some souvenir goods shops on both sides of the street. Piercing jewellery, another jewellery shop there. It's got some very nice looking jewellery, this one. Some very nice looking skull ornaments as well. Some pendants there. Some beautiful stuff there also. Nice. More tourist goods shops there again. A big collection of shops across the street there. Looks like a newly built place, convenience store. There's one selling postcards there and things as well. Let's have a restaurant here, Sanadana, I think that says. There's a few customers inside there. So just from a restaurant there, we'll continue walking down the street. This road would be normally so busy with traffic at this time of day. Wow, so nice to be able to actually walk and do the street. Some very unique stone items here. Wow, some nice stuff in there. More tourist goods shops across the street there. I've Capel the What here. This is another jewellery shop. I have a polo shop here. Fabulous shop here called Made in Bali. Everything $2.99. Ladies' dresses, men's shirts, stuff for the kids also, shorts. So some really nice goods. Hello, how are you? Everything $2.99 is the price. Men's shorts as well. They've actually just introduced a new collection of Bali t-shirts as well. Bali, made in Bali. Some nice men's shirts there. Everything $2.99, sizes L, XL, XXL. All the different sizes available. Just a reminder, everything $2.99. XXL. You need a big size. Okay, and then just across the street we have Blood and Bone. Indigo Luna store there also. Some nice clothes in those shops there. We have a place called Cinnamon here. And another Sacred Cacao. It's another raw chocolate, the same as what we've just seen up the street. Some leather goods here. Some nice looking stuff inside of there. Leather handbags, leather jackets. Some swimwear and things next door. And just from a shop there we have a Rip Curl across the street here. Oh, it's such a pleasure walking this street today. Oh, I think up the side here we have a restaurant up the side there. It actually said restaurant inside in the back there. Beef Salon and Spa here. First Calf Ubud. Wow, look at that. Your heart is here. How are you? Money changer next door. Lily Jean. Guardian Pharmacy. Another jewellery shop there. Mine Jewels. Earrings, necklaces, bracelets. All again there. Very nice looking stuff. Zuma Bali, which is another sandal shop there. Mason Matter. Bits of Bali, another jewellery shop. Bali Tees, which is a t-shirt shop. So many people, wow. Of Indigo Kids, Ubud, Papaya. Lots of shops. Yeah, they're typical tourist goods shops again here. T-shirts, ladies' dresses, Indigo Kids, Papaya, Mozzarella. It's a restaurant up in the top there. Ginger Snap Bali. Nice clothing shop this. This looks like the Black Ginger Snap. Have all different themes going on. Another jewellery shop there again next door. It's the entrance to Mozzarella. Sammy Warung there. Quite a few people coming out of that. Sammy Warung. Gox U. This is like a ladies' clothing shop that all the people are looking inside there. A bar and kitchen. It's up in the top again there. Pina Colada clothing shop. Tattoo studio there. All the rungs up in the top there. Mozzarella. Very nice. Got a massage spa on the side here as well. Hello, how are you, madam? Another nice looking clothing shop here. Some nice ladies. Wow, that's nice. Wow. Men's version on this side. Just a shirt and pants, so the ladies looks a little bit better. Funky little shop next door. Bags, some funky looking things. Have an art shop across the street there. It's next door to our art shop. We have Lost in Paradise. This is another clothing shop here. Just take you to the art shop. Some really nice pictures here. Wow, beautiful artwork. Lots more smaller ones inside. Postcards also. Just from our art shop. Not sure what that is there. I'm just going to cut across the street again here. Ubud Bali Gallery, this place is called. Some more artwork and things there. Loose beer bar in the top there. Wow, look at this. So this is the point where the road is blocked off from here. Have a beautiful looking restaurant here. It's quite busy inside actually as well, that one. Wow, very, very busy. Okay, so that's a place called Ubud Bali Bar and Restaurant there. Just turn back on the other side of the street. Korea, Paulina, Katerina, Island Treasures, chimpanzees, all clothing shops. Have another little street up here with a few little market stalls also. Just down the side street there. Another tourist goods shop there. Sedana Spa Hati. And then this is the street of Jalan Dewisita here. You can get round to the Ubud Art Market along that street and on the left, and then we have a big car parking area, and this is a continuation of Jalan Monkey Forest. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my street stroll here in Ubud along a section of the street of Jalan Monkey Forest. So as you saw with the camera in today's video where we started, it was so busy and congested there with the Balinese ceremony taking place, where the street of Jalan Monkey Forest converges with the street of Jalan Raya Ubud outside the Ubud Art Market area. So as I was walking along the street, there was a few accommodation options just off on the side streets from the Jalan Monkey Forest. Also you had quite a few restaurant options, lots of tourist goods shops, beauty cosmetic shops, jewellery shops, just about everything you could possibly need you'll find on the street of Jalan Monkey Forest. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.